Hello viewers, a lot of users have a lot of questions regarding tablets. In this video, I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. One of the users asked me about the price of Redmi Pad Pro and he wants to know the best price or best offer on Redmi Pad Pro. If you want to buy the Wi-Fi variant of Redmi Pad Pro, in that case the best price is 14.5k. But if you are planning to buy the 5G variant and 128GB, in that case 18,000 is the best price. Another user wants to know a very good tablet under the price of 14,000 rupees. His purpose is study, multimedia, YouTube classes, and he wants SIM card facility. You are asking for a lot of things in a 14,000 tablet. In that case, I will suggest you to buy Motorola Pad 60 Neo 8GB and 128GB Wi-Fi plus 5G variant. However, the budget is little bit on the higher side. You have to pay around 15,974 rupees and there is offer on Flipkart.com right now. But if you have a tight budget, in that case you can buy Realme Pad 2 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. This will be priced at 13,747 rupees after discount. Another user wants to know the price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. In a lot of videos I have mentioned the best price of this tablet. So if you want to buy the 128GB Wi-Fi variant, in that case the best price would be around 23 to 25,000 rupees with SBI credit card or any other offer. Another user wants to buy a tablet under the price bracket of 12,000 rupees and he wants excellent battery life from his tablet. So in that case you can buy Oneplus Pad Lite. This tablet has also the feel and touch response and multitasking on this tablet is good enough for the price point. So you can definitely buy OnePlus Pad Lite if you get this at 11 to 12,000 rupees. Another user wants to know about the best video editing tablet or iPad under the price bracket of 30,000 rupees. If you want to buy a tablet or iPad under 30,000 rupees, in that case I will recommend you to buy iPad 11th generation, because the video editing on iPad 11th generation is top notch and no Android tablet can compete with this iPad under the price of 30,000 rupees. The best price for iPad 11th generation is 27 to 28,000 rupees. But you will not get this offer right now, so you have to wait for another sale. So these are some of the questions that people have asked me and I tried my level best to answer these questions. If you still have any question in your mind, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.